I'm so crazy. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Belinda Flores here, and I'm with the Donut.
I'm sorry, can I say something?
Yes.
I'm sorry guys, I've been posting. I don't have any good screen recording. And what I want you guys to do, as people subscribers as you are, I want you to find some of the best screen recorders for the map that are free to find your money to. So, here's that free recording for that. That's what I need. And then I'll be up and running and I'll have some really good videos. So,
Yeah. So we are playing competitions on Hypixel, and I'll put the IP in the description below so you can play too. So yeah. Wait, where are you?
So, I'm actually the one who started playing this. Oh, because I'm a VIP and she disappeared.
Yeah, you too.
Alleyway. Are you in here?
Wait, alleyway? Oh. This?
Oh, yes.
Okay, I see, okay. I'm gonna join Team A. No, okay. Oh, hi. Yeah.
So we're on the top. Okay, we're on the top.
I don't know.
I want to go.
Let's go.
The gold one. I want to go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what happens is when these terrorists or criminals, they try to plant the bomb, we have to defuse it. Pretty much.
Yeah. It's like cops and robbers, except for it's better. You know what that is. Okay, we're in Team B. So, okay, I'm gonna go hide, and then like.
No, that means you have to go to site B. You have to go to site B.
Oh. So.
Because that's what we need to defuse. Because the bomb.
I thought people would put it on site A. That's the plan. They put it on site A.
Top secret underground tech zones.
Dude, where are you? I can't not find you. Oh, I think I found you. I don't know where it is. I'm following the sign. Oh, wrong one. Let it. Bomb planted. I'm following the arrows. I'm following the arrows to it. I found site B. How do I defuse it? I am. Did it! Oh, I did?
1 second.
I'm happy now. Yay! I'm so happy. I defused the bomb. Everyone's like, yes! They're like, oh my god. I was just like, I didn't know. Okay, I'm gonna go to site B again and hide. Where is site B? Oh my god, what is this?
So this one is site B again. And yeah, that's amazing. I don't know how you did it.
I read this thing and it said cut the wire. And I was like, okay. So then like I cut all the red wires. I'm hiding. I'm so valuable now.
I'm hiding with you.
We'll go find another place.
Wait! There's somebody there. There's somebody there. He has the bomb, I bet. Is there the bomb?
No, he ran away.
That guy has the bomb. That guy has the bomb. He has the bomb.
You're back.
He has the bomb.
Hold on.
He has the
Okay.
Cut wire. Hold on. 30 seconds. 30 seconds left.
Yes! Everyone's like, OMG, you defused the bomb. Everyone's like, what? When I was pretty happy.
Every movie, that's how it works. Get the gun, get the gun.
I'm gonna go to site B. Again.
I dropped my gun.
Good for you. Okay, B's over here.
Okay.
I found site B again. I found...
We are pure cops. We staked out. We're gonna stake out. I'd stake. Oh no, it's you.
I know, I see you.
I'm invisible.
I'm invisible too. Wait, okay, I got it.
Can I disable the bomb this time?
Okay. Okay, because I got the first one, and I got a Holy Mary by that. A Holy Mary, because I was like, oh my god, you're so legendary. I'm like, okay, good.
That's how you died. You're good, you wanted to die. So staking out, waiting for it, waiting.
I'm just gonna go where you, I'm just gonna hide here.
Oh,
Is there someone coming?
I'm sorry, brother.
There's someone coming!
Ah,
I'm gonna go to where you are, and just see if I can climb the roof. Can you like climb the roof or something?
I'm always trying to do it.
Can you like climb the roof or no? No. That's sad.
Oh,
Wait, I'm gonna use my Pikachu skills. No, I'm joking. Okay. No, you can't. Oh, that sucks. I can't climb the roof. I'm going up to this ladder, and then gonna. Oh!
okay, that makes a lot of sense. There's only, what the fuck, there's only one clone. There's only one clone. And I found him.
Kill him! Oh, wait, is he dead? No. Oh, are we? Okay, let's go cops. Okay, let's go to site B again. Oh, why did someone just go? Oh, it's a... Go to site B! Wrong way! Oh wait, I think that's the right way. Okay, go. Okay, site B is going here. And we found it! It's like normal. Okay. Pikachu, see how that's normal. What?
I'm going to tell my target. She was so clean.
Someone already, what? That was really... Oh. Okay, go to... Which one are we supposed to go to? A or B?
You go to A. Do you have, we go to A.
Okay.
Oh, no, we go to B. We go to B. Okay, go to B.
You sure?
Then go to A. Go to A. Go to A.
Okay. Okay.
Wait, see the box at C4?
I don't have... I don't have a
No, the
C4.
The C4 is a pepper ball.
Okay.
Pepper ball, the little C4, the little yellow thing. Follow him. Follow this guy. Protect him.
Mr. Swag Dude?
No, inside of the C4, the little C4.
I don't know where he is. Oh, I see him. Okay. What? Oh, okay, we won. Okay, whatever. We didn't even have time to put the bomb.
You didn't even get to pass the ball. Oh, cool. So, okay, you want to go back and down your stuff? I don't know.
Yeah, okay, so I'll see you guys in a minute.
Okay.
Okay, and we're back, guys. So we're playing it again. So yeah, we're Krim this time. Who was the tweet? Where is okay? So site A, B, what?
We want to get to the C4. We want the C4. We want the C4. Hold on. The mission is in jeopardy.
So we go to site A?
Yeah, so we go to site B. What is site B? Where's the guy?
I thought we went to site A last time. I went to site A.
No, we go to site B now.
Oh, okay. You're lagging or something.
Now you are. Lead us.
No, you're stuck on the bed, but I think we can stop. Crap! Oh, I killed it! Yes! Ooh. What's this stuff? Help! I got got a thing. I think I got an air. I got a diffuser. Come on, are you dead or something? No. Eventually, I honestly don't know where you are, but it's eventually wherever you are. Which one? Whatever. Who will win? I think, Clockman. Oh! Hurry up! Oh, you planted the bomb! Hurry up! There's someone! Yay! Did we win? Did we win? Okay, whatever. Yay! Okay, bye. Okay, go! Come on!
So we're going to fight A, right?
Okay, yeah, hurry up. You don't want to get... I'm behind you. Dude, I'm sitting behind you. I'm here shooting though. Come on, shift click. You gotta shift click. Okay, go. What's this?
We're going to end London. We're going to B.
Oh my god, hurry up, make something new, because we're gonna have to
We're going to B.
Oh my god. Oh, that's funny. Okay. Whoa! I got a pump action! What? No! What's going on? I didn't know!
Yep, you have a gun. Use it.
I didn't know that they were showing them.
Whoa.
I'm just gonna get the bomb. Get the bomb's down there, guys! Come on, please, Sosa, place it down! Go! Okay, there's a random fire randomness here. But the bomb didn't defuse, you dumb... Okay, let's continue. There.
I got the police.
Good for you.
Hold the gun to see for let's protect it.
What's his name?
This guy. Cyclone underscore.
Where? I dodged that. Lightning strike? Oh. What's this? Ooh, what's this thing? I got another MP5 again. Yeah. Wait, what the? Yeah! Oh wait, no, I didn't get it. Ooh, I got a flashbang. Cool. Whatever that is, but that's... What's a flashbang?
It's a bomb. It's a type of bomb.
Okay.
Cool. I can see the guns. The Uzi, they should be...
I'm scared that I'll get the food pointer. I don't know what to do. Okay, I don't have it. Yay.
I didn't know they saved it for the what?
Because then you... Because you thought... Okay. It does his name like... Whatever it is. Is it, does it say C4 on the inside or something?
Yeah, it does. Congratulations. Here's fun.
No, I don't... Oh, wow. Yay, we won? Okay, so where do we have to go now? Site B?
So now we have to defuse.
Okay.
Oh, cool. I'm the defuse. I'm the defuse.
So we gotta site B.
1 second.
found the bomb.
Use it!
It's done. It's like dead. Yay! So I'm gonna end the video here. Anyway,
So guys, you have to like, subscribe. Remember the headset thing. Tell me what you think the best headset is from that is free.
don't you mean the recording?
Screen recorder.
Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe to Team Team. If you don't do it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.